The HeatStorm HS-6000-GC heater delivers strong, even warmth that is well suited for garages and workshops that need reliable comfort in colder weather. Its ceiling or wall mounting design keeps floor space clear and directs heat where you actually work, which is especially useful in crowded or tool-filled areas. The built-in thermostat maintains a steady temperature without constant tinkering, so the space stays comfortable while avoiding unnecessary energy use. Wi-Fi control through a smartphone app lets you adjust settings or turn the heater on from almost anywhere, making it easy to warm the area before you step into the garage. The ability to schedule heating times for specific days is excellent for regular routines, ensuring the space is already warm when you arrive and cools down when you are done. Although it requires hardwired installation, the sturdy build and quiet operation make this heater feel like a permanent, workshop-grade upgrade rather than a temporary portable unit.